Good morning, guys. This is my 4th time trying to film a video this week. It's Friday. I'm literally exhausted. I just I don't know. I would start filming and then something would happen and it would completely throw me off. And if I'm not in the mood to vlog, it's really just not a good time. And it's actually really hard to vlog if I don't feel good, which, you know, kind of makes sense because obviously my vlogging for the most part is literally just me talking. So it's a super gross day out and I thought we would go thrifting. So this thrift store that I'm going to is my all-time favorite thrift store. I'm pretty sure I've actually vlogged me going to this thrift store before. I always find tons of stuff. They're just really good at going through everything and making sure it's quality stuff that they're selling. So I don't know where I usually put my camera. This is really not working. But first order of business, I really want coffee, but I also want boba. So we're gonna grab some boba first, but I also need coffee because I'm very tired. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Thank you so much to all of the sweet comments that were left on my last video. You guys are so nice. I don't want to say I was surprised because you guys are always so sweet when I open up about mental health stuff, but I don't know, sometimes I'm still just blown away. I saw Captain Marvel yesterday, 10 out of 10. I did not have high hopes because I saw the trailer and I was like, what in the world is this? It's I know Marvel and everything, but I'm not gonna be I'm Marvel comic stan. I don't really know everything that there is to know. The trailer was set up for major fans in which they're I know exactly who this is. So I saw the trailer and I was I mean, I'm still gonna see it, but I was also I have no idea who this bitch is. So I got it with less ice, bubbles, and then extra sugar because we like them sweet. So this was $4. You see how small this is? Anyways, so we're gonna get Dunkin. I'm here. Hi, thank you. It's okay. Thank you. They always almost forget to give me a straw. I actually have extra straws in my car, so it's no big deal, but I always feel kind of bad asking. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys when I get on the highway because number one, I don't want to show you my whole entire neighborhood. And I also need to put on my maps because I've only ever been here with my mom and I always make her drive, so I don't actually really know where it is. We are going to poke the hole through this. I don't think I've ever broken this without getting it all over my face. That's what she said? Oh. Oh, nope, see? Wow, this is amateur hour. I feel like the bubble to juice ratio is never quite right, but Kung Fu Tea usually does a pretty good job. So I forgot to be mostly shorts now because it's warm outside. So this is an example. $6. What? This is anthropology. What in the world? I don't like it, but to do a quick little haul. So I got 7 items for $40. I'm telling you, this is one of the cheapest thrift stores I've ever been to that has like the best prices. So I will have some clips of me in the items as I show them. So I ended up trying like on a lot of stuff, and it's like when you go to a thrift store, in your head you're like, this is totally gonna work, and then as you put the clothing on, you're like, yikes, like stuff looks so different on the rack compared to on your body. So the first thing that I got is my absolute favorite. This is a Guess jacket. So this thing was $15. This was the most expensive piece of clothing that I got. It's 100% authentic. It even has the thing on the inside, and it fits really, really well. So I love denim jackets. I went through a phase where I was buying a bunch of them, but I was never wearing them, and now I'm actually wearing them. So I love this. It's just like the perfect, like, dark black denim wash. I got this bag. This was $3.99. So it's just a basic white bag, but it's got the 2 pockets. I thought it was super cute. I just need to clean up a little bit. It's got some small stains on it, but nothing too crazy. It is white, so it's probably no use in even cleaning it up because I'm just gonna get it all dirty again. But I love this. I got this polo. This is a Talbot's top. This was $4.99. And I plan on cropping this. So I absolutely love this shade of yellow. I think this looks really nice on my skin tone. It's not too bright, but also not like mustard, which I also love. And I don't own anything in this color. So it's kind of like a cream yellow, and I thought it was cute. So I plan on cropping it. Whenever I go to thrift stores, I tend to get stuff that I'm going to end up doing something with, whether it's like putting patches over the jeans if they're bedazzled for some reason, or cropping something. I rarely ever keep anything in its original condition, and I don't feel bad because I spent like no money on it. And then we got this bodysuit, which is brand new from Forever 21. So I don't know how much it was at Forever 21 because the bottom of the tag is ripped off, but they only charged me $3.99 for it. So it is this long sleeve black, very soft, stretchy, deep V bodysuit, and it has the clips on the bottom. So I thought this was super cute. I just wear these with sticky bras because I find that's the easiest way for me to kind of move my boobs around. There's like tons of people just walking around staring at me in the parking lot. And then I picked up this top, which I thought was so cute. I saw it and I was immediately like, yes. I just love the striped patterns. I don't wear a lot of stripes. If you follow my channel, you probably know that, but I actually really liked this. It's by Karen Scott. I don't know who that is, but it's like petites, so it's actually perfect because it's like a perfect length on me. I don't even have to crop this. I can just tuck it into jeans. And yeah, so I thought that was super cute. And then I also got some jeans. So I tried on like 5 pairs of jeans and none of them really worked except for this one. These are high-waisted. They just fit amazing, and it's the type of thing where I still have a little bit of space, which is perfect because my legs are constantly growing, so I can't really have stuff that's too constricting like the pants I'm wearing right now. And then the last thing I actually got from my brother because I saw this top and I thought of him. It's from PacSun. It's just a basic gray and black striped t-shirt, so hopefully it fits. So I was gonna go to that red, white, and blue thrift store, but I actually just read the reviews and a lot of people were complaining about it, and they were saying that they're kind of scammy with their prices and stuff, which is really not something I can get behind when it's a thrift store. We may go to Goodwill. It is 2:30 on a Friday, so I'm really trying not to get stuck in any sort of traffic. But I want to show you guys the pretzel sticks. They are huge. So if you come here, and you want one of the other flavored pretzels, then you just have to get a regular one. But if you want the cinnamon stick ones, the cinnamon sugar ones, I don't know why I said that, get the cinnamon stick ones because you actually get more for your money. So these are like better than Auntie Anne's, better than Wetzel pretzels, wherever you've been getting pretzels. These are the bomb. So my sugar intake for the day is probably at what I'm supposed to eat for a week, so that's fine. But I have to come over here whenever I come. It's just so good. It's hard to shop when you literally don't need clothes. So I found these white jeans and then some Adidas track pants. So we'll try them on. They've got so much stuff here, but like I said, I don't really need clothes. I don't know why I keep trying to put on jeans that are size 1 when I'm a size 4. That's fine. They're like just too short. I don't think I could do this with shoes. They're comfy though. I would buy these. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. I still have tons of coffee. I also have to pee like crazy. I should have just peed when I was in Goodwill, but I'm in the car now, so I'm not gonna move. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments down below where I should go next. Like, are there any specific stores, like in-person stores that you guys want me to go to? Anything you've been wondering about? Let a girl know. I've kind of done like a little series with that before. I did it with Lululemon and I also did it with Target. I'll put cards on the screen for both of those. So let me know if you have any specific stores you want me to do that for. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.